You think you hate mornings. You don't. What you actually hate is waking up and immediately feeling behind. The person who hit the snooze button this morning wasn't you. It was your shadow. Weak, lazy, and used to surrendering. The one who whispers, 5 more minutes won't change anything. But they change everything. Most people lose their entire day in the first 20 minutes. They open their eyes, grab their phone, and instantly fall into reaction mode. Someone else's panic becomes the first thing your brain processes, before your own name. The samurai had a word for this trap, and a solution that took 5 seconds. They believed that if you don't defeat your inner enemy before sunrise, the world will destroy you by sunset. Today, modern neuroscience proves their exact methods. Here is how people who actually control their lives start their day. No ice baths, no green smoothies, no fake internet routines. Just biology and a blade. Principle 1. Physiology over illusion. A samurai who slept poorly before a duel was already half dead. Sleep isn't rest. It's preparation for war. So before any routine, before any habit, there is one non-negotiable foundation. Real discipline isn't about torturing yourself at 4 a.m. just to look cool on social media. True warriors listen to their biology, not lifestyle gurus. Here's a fact most people ignore. After 17 hours without sleep, your cognitive performance equals someone who is legally drunk. You wouldn't fight a duel drunk. Don't start your day that way either. You can't out-meditate sleep deprivation. But how do you fix it? You don't try to force yourself to sleep earlier. You wake up at the exact same time, every single day. When you lock in your wake-up time, your circadian rhythm resets. You control the morning, and the night fixes itself. Principle 2. Shugyo, the 5-second blade. True laziness doesn't mean it's hard to stand up. True laziness hides in the tiny 5-second pause between the alarm and your first movement. Science calls this sleep inertia, the moment your brain is foggy and begging for comfort. Every time you negotiate with that voice, you train your brain to accept betrayal. This is the moment that separates the person you are from the person you want to be. The samurai called the mastery of this moment Shugyo, the forging of the spirit. Your rule, no negotiations. The alarm rings. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet on the floor. Don't think. That's it. You just won the first battle of the day. Immediately open the blinds. Hitting your retinas with physical daylight kills melatonin, the sleep hormone, faster than any coffee. It's a biological command to your brain. Turn on. Principle 3. Shield the mind. Stability before stimulation. In the first 45 minutes of the day, your brain is building its armor. Most people shoot holes in it before it's even on. Your body naturally releases cortisol to boot up your nervous system. It's your biological fuel for focus, clarity, and decision-making. It peaks in the first hour. That window is sacred. But what do most people do? Here's what nobody tells you about your phone in the morning. Be honest right now. What was the exact first app you opened this morning? Was it worth ruining your entire day's focus? The second you open it, you blast your brain with cheap dopamine. You are training your brain to demand a hit the second you open your eyes. So by 1 p.m., when you need to do deep, hard work, your brain screams, "This is boring. Where is my phone?" You are not weak. You are conditioned. And the next 90 days are about reversing that. Your rule: stability before stimulation. For the first hour, your phone is dead. No social media, no news, no messages. Protect your mind. Let your dopamine baseline stabilize. The first hour belongs exclusively to you, not to the algorithm. Principle 4. The Rye state. Becoming the blade. The first 2 weeks, you will feel like a fraud. You will go through the motions. You will imitate discipline without feeling it. Do it anyway. Because here is what actually happens inside your brain during those early days. Every time you follow through, even when it feels mechanical, you are laying down a new neural pathway. You are physically rewiring who you are one morning at a time. But one day, on day 30 or day 60, something inside you will click. The Japanese call this Ri, the state where the person and the action become one. Miyamoto Musashi didn't become unbeatable in a single duel. He became unbeatable in 10,000 mornings. His mind and the steel moved as one not because of talent, but because of repetition so deep it became identity. You will stop doing a morning routine. You will become the morning. The alarm will ring and the body will rise on its own. You won't need to search for motivation anymore, because discipline will have replaced the need for it entirely. That is the real transformation. One day you will realize you are not doing this anymore. You just are this. Tomorrow morning, the alarm will ring, and you have two choices. The first, hit snooze, lie to yourself again, and surrender your mind to the chaos. Millions make that choice every morning. You can see the results in their dead eyes on the subway and in their average, unfulfilled lives. The second, remember the 5-second blade. Breathe, move, step into the version of yourself that doesn't negotiate. Tomorrow's battle is won tonight. Set your alarm. Put the phone across the room. The morning is the battlefield for your life. Win it, and the day becomes your ally. Lose it, and the day becomes your enemy. Your turn. Pick your wake-up time and start tomorrow. If this hits you, good. That discomfort is the beginning. Like the video and stay here. Next video, why your evenings are destroying your mornings and the exact fix. Subscribe so you don't miss it.